The refrigerator is an essential part of our modern lives, quietly humming in the background and keeping our food fresh and safe. At the heart of every refrigerator lies a continuous cycle of compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation. The journey begins with the compressor, a powerful pump that compresses the refrigerant gas, increasing its pressure and temperature. The condenser is a series of coils that release the heat from the compressed refrigerant gas to the surrounding air. Next, the liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve, where its pressure drops rapidly. This sudden pressure drop causes the refrigerant to cool even further, preparing it for the next stage of the cycle. Inside the refrigerator, the cold liquid refrigerant enters the evaporator coils. Here, it absorbs heat from the surrounding air, causing it to evaporate back into a gas. The cycle then repeats, with the compressor drawing in the low-pressure, low-temperature gas from the evaporator and compressing it once again, starting the process anew. This continuous cycle of compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation is what keeps your refrigerator consistently cool. The refrigeration cycle is a remarkable example of the second law of thermodynamics in action. This fundamental principle states that heat naturally flows from a hotter object to a cooler one. But how does the refrigerator know when to cool and when to stop? That's where the thermostat comes in. This ingenious device monitors the temperature inside the refrigerator and signals the compressor to turn on or off, maintaining the desired temperature range. The refrigerator is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of scientific understanding. From the development of efficient compressors to the discovery of environmentally friendly refrigerants, countless engineering marvels have made modern refrigeration possible. As we take a step back and appreciate the refrigerator's impact on our lives, we can't help but marvel at the scientific principles that make it work. This humble appliance has revolutionized food preservation, ensuring that we have access to fresh, safe, and nutritious food year-round. So the next time you reach for a cold beverage or a crisp salad, take a moment to appreciate the coolest science behind the refrigerator's chilly secrets.